Okay. All right. Hi, everybody. It's Bill from XcentricK. It is Friday, and it is, we're allowed to sing and hum today, right? Okay. Yeah, we're told, yeah, we can do that. All right. Round the shop in 8 minutes, or we're going to run. So come with me real quick. 69 Mach 1. Motor's out of it now. Transmission's already off to get rebuilt. So that's gone. Fresh motor's being built by a great company in the States, so that's in the works. Jeff's working away here on our 87 Fox body. And this is getting real pretty looking right now, so real quick look. 347 stroker, 6-speed, 5-6-speed standard going in behind that. All the Willwood brakes, it's coming along really well. So this is on air ride, all the air ride stuff's going in. Alex is working on another Shelby Super Snake. So it's just in the teardown process right now, going real well. Interior's out, wheels and tires off, exhaust is off, lots of stuff happening there. 64 Galaxy is, we've got the clutch work finished, a lot of the interior work's finished on it now. This is just in for an upgrade for this summer. So just about ready to ship that one back out. James is working away on, wherever the other one is. He's working away on a 68 Charger right now, doing cut and polish. So he's getting really good and professional at that, right, James?
Absolutely.
And all those dots aren't mosquito bites. These are things that he's got to kind of take off before he cuts and polishes it all. So it'll look like a bowling ball when you're done, right?
Yep.
This one's for sale. Let us know if you're interested. Beautiful car. 6.4. Hey, 6.4 Hemi SRT8 interior. Jeff, Bill Rally Motorsports suspension, all that stuff. Really cool. Our 55 Chevy up here. All the suspension's done, and James has just finished painting all the undercarriage, so it's looking real good. Rack and pinions in it, coilovers are in it, 4 links in the back. Just starting to put in or take out the automatic transmission. The new transmission just showed up for that, so that's on the go. The Cobra over there is going back to the folks as soon as they're ready to pick it up, so that's all finished. The 53 is going to be in paint in the next week or two. We just got a load in front of it in the paint shop. A little bike in for doing some upgrades, some paint, get it running properly, working away on that one. Okay, back through here. The Vespa bike is all done, ready for pickup by the customer. This is a lot of the interior out of the next Shelby Super Snake and some components there. This is a lawnmower for anybody who doesn't know. The 66 is pretty much all done. I think it's just in here now for Keith to do the final detailing on, and then that's going out to the customer next week, and they're getting pretty excited from what I hear. So in the back here, in the paint booth, Chris is working away on the Super Snake wide body. It's all cut and polished now, so you can see from the side view of the car, if you can look at that, that's what a wide body looks like. That is just a monster. It looks great, sounds great. Just got back from having the front end 4-wheel alignment done on it. So it's ready to go to the customer. Hopefully it all polishes out well by mid next week, end of next week at the latest. But everybody's excited about this one. And it's turned out gorgeous. So really happy with that car. So that's all good. And there's more stuff out back. In through here.
NBA championship in Canada.
Kill the volume. Okay, the 72 Mach 1 is, Sean's doing all kinds of really cool stuff with this one. When we looked at this last week, although you may not have noticed in the video, the whole back end of the car was gone. There was nothing here. We've now got, Sean's put in all the new frame rails. He's put in the trunk pan, floor pan, all the different pieces there. New rear sail panel. He's finished up all the way up the kick panels or the floor pans at the front. So once he's got all this done, he's now extended the inner wheel well over there to give us an extra inch so we can put a little bit bigger tire in the back of this. He's doing the same on the next one, Sean, to give it a bit more space in the back. So this car is going to be a bit of a pro touring car when it's all done. So believe it or not, you can actually go down to just saving a roof and a part of the firewall and build a new car out of it. It's time consuming, it's expensive, but the end result is a brand new 1972 Mach 1 Mustang when we're done, because virtually everything on it is brand new. So lots going on that one. This car is in for a bit of body work repair, so that repair has all been done. It'll be in the paint booth on Monday, and that's out of here. The 58 is sitting ready to go into the paint booth. It's all masked off. All the final blocking's been all done on it, so it's ready to go into the paint booth. We've just been so busy that it just hasn't got in, but it's ready to go. Everything's finished there. Super Snake stuff, the next phase of it is here. The GT Mustang 87, we've got a cap there that's ready to go in the paint booth. Lots of stuff, lots and lots of stuff. More stuff outside there. So it's Friday, it's crazy, it's us as usual, and keep following us on Facebook, Twitter, all those places, right, Jess? YouTube. Yeah, follow YouTube. And like whatever you see, please, because the more likes, it gives us more enthusiasm to continue doing this. So hopefully this has caught you back up. We'll try to keep doing this more often, but we're getting crazy busy here. Remember, if you want a Shelby, call us. Even if you don't want a Shelby, you just want to see one, call us anyways. Have a great weekend. See you next week.